We at Capgemini try to focus more on the use of mobile edge computing in a private scenario, and we have done some work with our partner sister towards that end. So we focus more on the platoon scenario, and where we have a platoon leader, which is in a which has a camera and is streaming some video, or can stream some video to the network, and the idea is to allow the platoon to stop when some object is detected on the road. And we thought about it, and we know that this kind of processing requires some computing power and also some energy, and it's not feasible to be done in a truck, or at least it will take some it after some time. This will not be will stop working. So we thought about moving this or offloading this service to the edge, and the idea was to create a near edge object detection service. For that, we have focused on the use of open source solutions for object detection. We used YOLO in this case. We also thought about how we could do this placement of the of the video, taking into account that this should be very shouldn't have a lot of latency, because we are talking about traffic, and we don't want a lot of we don't want latency when trying to avoid an accident. And for that, we are thinking about use of 5G. So for the communication of the video, so this would be the medium that would allow the sending of the video to the near edge site, where it would be then processed. And after this processing, when an object is detected, we would then advert the vehicle or the platoon leader that an object was found, and that the emergency braking system should be auctioned. So for that, we thought about the scenario in a real world. So the colleagues from CISA already have a platoon that could do autonomous driving, and we had been working on trying to create our own solution for 5G private networking, and we have made use of customer of the shelf hardware to build our G-Node B solution, as well as the radio. We used an USRP, so this is similar to an SDR, and we have used OAI, or Open Air Interface, for creating a G-Node B that would provide 5G or private 5G network that would be accessible to the platoon leader, which would then stream out this video to the network. Concerning the core of the private network, we used the solution by Capgemini called VI-NGC. And for the near edge MAC solution, we used the EAAP. So this is an mobile edge computing solution by Capgemini that also allows for the placement of different kind of containers and edge computing solutions on different locations. We have integrated this scenario, and we have a demo where this platoon leader receives this warning message when an object detected is an object is detected on the road, and we have it available on the the YouTube of the video of the project. And concerning this demo, with the tools that we have used were mainly the ones that I've described before. We also have made some changes to YOLO to create this warning system that would allow the platoon leader to stop its movement. And we also have made changes to alternative edge computing platforms or open source ones, namely the Intel Smart Edge and I'm missing the name of Edge Gallery, and that's all for now, I think.